Dear students, after going through the poem, let us first look at the difficult words in the poem. The first word is enormous, which means huge or very big. Then is ravenous, which means very hungry. Then is cavernous, which means a large, dark, cave-like structure. Scurry, which means move hurriedly with short, quick steps. Pitch is tar. You must have seen the black material which is used to make road. That is very dark in color and it is known as pitch. Witch, a woman thought to have magical power, especially evil ones. Students, you must have seen in some of the cartoons a woman, very old woman in fact, who is very ugly and she is wearing a cap and the nose is pointed and she is wearing a black cloak. Cloak means a long gown and she always flies in a broomstick. So that is known as a witch. Wrinkled, fine lines on face. You must have seen the face of old people. They are having very fine lines. That is known as wrinkles. Sprinkled, irregularly dispersed. Irregularly dispersed means when you are throwing something not evenly or at a regular distance. Simply you are dispersing or sprinkling something. Crowed, shouted with delight. When you are very happy, you shout with delight, or delight means happiness. Rage means anger. Rancor, long-standing bitterness. Bitterness means when you don't have nice feeling for some people. That is known as bitterness. Hideous, very ugly, not good looking. Self-reliant, able to look after oneself. People, when you were small, your parents used to do all your work. But now you are little grown up. So you can also look after yourself. Horrid, very unpleasant. Grind, to press and break something to small pieces. You must have seen that the wheat particles are grind and then it is made into flour of which we make the chapatis. Nibbled small bites of something. People, suppose you love a chocolate very much or your favorite thing. So do you eat it all together? No. You take a small bites of that and you enjoy it. We bake a toasted crisp bread, which you are eating crisp bread, that is a toast. Troublesome, annoying or irritating. Punched, hit something or someone. Poked, push your finger to another. Satchel, a leather bag, which is usually hung over a shoulder. Bulged, completely full of object. You must have seen when the bags are full of anything, it is bulged. Concoctor, maker. Those who make something, those who mix the ingredients to make something are known as concoctor. People, after going through the meanings, I'll just give a small task for today. Just let me see who all will learn the first 8 lines of the poem. Please let me know once you have completed the learning part by commenting in the comment section below. Next day we will continue with the explanation of the poem. Thank you and have a good day. People, one thing more, please note down all the meanings which I have given in a note copy. Thank you.